This is Jooni, a leash built for control, comfort, and safety. By combining the best parts of fixed-length leashes and retractable leashes, Jooni is designed to put the control back in your hands and help keep your dog safe. The Jooni Dog Leash gives you complete control over lead length. Press and hold the release button to let your dog explore. Let go and the leash locks instantly, so you're always in control of how far your dog goes. Shorter lead, just pull the woven nylon rope through the back of the handle. Our patented locking mechanism holds it securely in place with no slipping and no hassle. Traditional retractable leashes make it hard to reel your dog, while standard rope leashes rely on hand string to control pulling and often lead to injuries. The Jooni leash is different. Its tapered ergonomic handle fits any hand size. Its textured silicone grip prevents slipping. And if your dog pulls hard, the back bumper acts as a physical barrier to keep the leash safely in your hand without relying on grip strength. Jooni leash includes a built-in carabiner for extra versatility. You can secure the leash around your body, tie it to a pole or tree, or clip on essentials like a waistband dispenser. No more flimsy knots or tangled rope. And with a 10mm thick nylon rope, strong enough for everyday pulls, even squirrel-level pulls. So how did Jooni Dog start? This is cool. A bus driver with a dream to invent a leash that helps dogs stay close to you, living safer, smarter, and happier lives. 10 years ago, Peter lost his dog Jooni in a tragic accident caused by a faulty retractable leash. That moment never left him. Time to prevent leash-related accidents. Keep your best friend safe with the Jooni leash, built for control, comfort, and peace of mind. It's available now on Kickstarter. If you walk your dog in the city and want a safer, smarter way to do it, back the project today.